Is it snowing a lot?
Yeah.
Are you going to ride in the sled?
Yep.
Okay.
Oh, I'll stick this up.
Okay.
No, where is it? It's slide off.
It slides off?
Yeah. And it's so off his head.
Okay. Get in your chariot.
I can.
Can you get in there?
Yeah.
Be careful, it's slippery. Okay, say on Dasher, on Prancer.
That's it. I'm past there.
Now dash away all.
That's our way off.
Merry Christmas.
Yes.
Say hi, Nanny. Hi, Grampy.
Hi, Gappy.
Hi, Nanny.
Hi, Nanny.